So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a resume on the Visme application. So once you have Visme opened up on your device, go to the bottom right and press on the blue circle with the plus icon. Then where it says project type, actually go to the bottom left sort of here where it says infographics and press on infographics. Now once you're here at the top where it says all features statistical, basically just slide this bar all the way to the right until you come across the resume option. So for me, the resume option is located right here in between anatomical and mind maps. Go ahead and press on resume. Now what you can either do is select a blank template if you wish, or what you can also do, which is probably a little bit easier, is just to slide down and find a pre-built template and just edit your information using this. So if you want to do this one right here, we'll use this one right here that belongs to Miles, a general contractor. It's now going to take a couple seconds to load this into the Visme application and to create your project. But once that is done, which it will be fairly shortly here, you now have a pre-built template of a resume that you can now edit and create to make it your own on the Visme application. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can create a resume on the Visme application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.